सीपी राधाकृष्णन का सभागार में आगमन हो चुका है। सभी गणमान्य अतिथि उनका स्वागत करते हुए For many families present here today, this is not merely a ceremonial occasion, but the culmination of years of sacrifice, perseverance, and unwavering commitment. माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति श्री सीपी राधाकृष्णन का
Very happy that you're not at the York shop.